warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, good morning my students. Welcome back to English lesson. We are still running Unit 1 Adventure Camp. But before we start our lesson today, let's say Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most kind. Dengan nama Allah yang Maha Pengasih lagi Maha Penyayang. Okay, let's start our lesson today. What will we learn today? We will learn about understanding text. What should we prepare? Pen or pencil? Student book? And workbook. Have you prepared it? Okay, thank you. Now we are going to learn about text 1. Please open your book, your student book, page 17. Okay, page 17. There is a reading text about Bear Grylls. Now, let's read together. Bear Grylls. Bear Grylls is a mountaineer and adventurer. He went up Mount Everest when he was just 23 years old. Bear usually lives in the United Kingdom, but sometimes he lives in the desert, the mountains, or the jungle. He is also Chief Scout of Scouts UK. What do you like doing? I like playing the guitar, running, doing yoga, and playing with my children. Do you like living in the jungle? I love jungles, but they are difficult to live in. There are often a lot of snakes and insects. Sometimes I'll slip up a tree, and when it rains, it's horrible. Where is your favorite place? An island in Indonesia. I love visiting islands, and this one was really beautiful. What do you do before an adventure? I always learn a lot about where I want to go. I learn about the plants and animals. I train 6 days a week and I run and do yoga too. Are you scared of anything? Yes, I'm scared of high buildings and mountains. I can go to the top of high buildings, but I don't like it. Okay, students, after we read the text, we have to understand more about the text. But first of all, I want to ask you. Okay, question 1. Who's the names of mountaineers and adventurer? What's his name? Namanya siapa? Okay, that's right. His name is Bear Grylls. Second, what does he like doing? Okay, the answer is he likes playing the guitar, running, doing yoga, and playing with his children. Next, Hmm, does she like high buildings? What's your answer? Does she like high buildings? That's true. He doesn't like. Oh, I'm so sorry. No, he doesn't. He doesn't like high building. Okay, to understand more, you can answer or you can circle true or false. Circle true or false. Number 1. Bear likes running and doing yoga. True or false? That's right. It is true. Number 2. There are often snakes and insects in the jungle. True or false? Can you answer by yourself? Yes, that's right. It's true. Number 3. Bear's favorite place is in the United Kingdom. Is it true or false? False, because Bear's favorite place is in Indonesia. Number 4. Bear doesn't like high buildings and mountains. Is it true or false? Can you guess it? That's right. It's true. Bear doesn't like high buildings and mountains. Number 5. Bear went up Mount Everest when he was just 20 years old. The answer is false, because Bear went up Mount Everest when he was just 23 years old. Okay, students, there are more questions to understand more your knowledge about the text. Jadi ini ada tambahan dari Butari ya. Bear is also Chief Scot of Scots United Kingdom. True or false? Yes, it's true. Number 7. Bear doesn't like playing with his children. Oh no, it's false. He likes playing with his children. Okay, after we circle all of the sentence, now let's go to the next text 2.
Bye, Mom.
Student
We're
book,
going to
page
the amusement park.
18. Listen
Hi, Marta.
and read.
Hi, Champ.
Okay, it's about the story about Martha and Chris with Champ.
Hello,
Who is
my
Champ?
dears. I like
Okay,
your
now
pet.
to understand more about this story, please listen the
Come and try my time machine. Only one.
ready?
Bye, Mom. We're going to the amusement park.
Hi, Marta. Hi, Champ. Hello, my dears. I like your pet. Come and try my time machine. Only $1.
I love traveling.
Marta, I like traveling too, but I don't like talking to this man.
Wow, this is cool. We can go to the future.
Wow! Look, this place.
It's fantastic. Look at the cars.
What was that?
The time machine. It isn't here. And where's Champ?
Okay, after we listen the story, we can now uh, what's the name of chimpanzee? Chimpanzee-nya what's his name? Okay, his name is Champ. Okay, after that they go to Zero Zendel's time machine, and the Zero Zendels or the owner uh, stands in front of the machine. After that they are going to enter the time machine, and after that, what's the matter with the both of them with Champ and Champ? Yeah, now to understand more, we answer true or false. Okay, student book page 19. Circle true or false. Martha and Chris travel to the future. Yes, true. Okay, now you can circle in your book true. Number 2, Zero Zendel doesn't like pet chimpanzees. True or false? No, yes, it is false. Zero Zendel likes Champ very much. Number 3, Zero Zendel has a time machine. True or false? Yes, that's right. It's true. Number 4, Chris likes talking to Zero Zendel. True or false? False. And number 5, Zero Zendel is taller than the children. True. It means that the children are shorter than Zero Zendel. Okay, next. Martha's dad texts Champ. True or false? Can you guess it? That's right. It's false because Zero Zendel texts Champ. Okay, student. This is the exercise about the story in your student book. Now you can open your workbook. Yeah, please open your workbook, page 19. Okay, this is the exercise about the story. Activity 16. Check. Where are Martha and Chris after traveling in the time machine? Yeah, in the nature reserve, a city in the future, or Zero Zendel Zoo? Okay, that's right, a city in the future. Who has Champ? Who's the owner of Champs? Okay, Champs belongs to Martha and Chris. But after that, Zero Zendel takes Champ. Now, let's go to activity 17. Circle. Martha and Chris are going to amusement park. 2. Martha and Chris think the time machine is scary, boring or cool? Okay, good. It's cool. Next, number 3. To go into the time machine cost. Harganya untuk masuk ke time machine berapa? $3, $10, or $1? That's right, it's $1. Number 4. Chris doesn't like Zero Zendel, Martha, Cem. That's right, Chris doesn't like Zero Zendel. Okay, students, have you give check and circle on your workbook? Sudah di checklist sama di circle. Kalau if you have check and circle, let's go to the next text. Back to student books. Now you can take your student books. It tells about text 3. Page 22 and 23. Read. Okay, let's read together. Read text 1. This text is about camping. Okay, let's read together. Camping in Thailand is a lot of fun. My favorite place is a national park called Khao Samroyot. Khao Samroyot means the mountain with 300 peaks. The mountains are very difficult to climb. There are a lot of things to see around the park. I like watching the lovely birds and other wild animals like deer and squirrels. There are a lot of interesting caves too. Thailand is an exciting place. Alak 12 Thailand. Okay. About text 1, this is the favorite place for camping. That's right. The favorite place in Thailand for camping is National Park, and it is called Khao Samroyot. Now, what's the writer? Who's the writer? I'm so sorry. Who's the writer? The writer is Alak. Alak, 12 years old. Okay. Now, let's go to the second text. The writer is Melissa, 12, United States. Okay. Her name is Melissa. She's 12 years old and she lives in United States. About Death Valley National Park in California is a great place for desert camping. It's very hot there in the summer. I usually visit Death Valley in the spring with my family. I love riding my bike on the paths in the mountains. Mountain biking is difficult, but it's very exciting. My dad likes making big campfires in the evening. He likes cooking our dinner on the fire. There are many types of snakes, lizards, and bats in Death Valley. It's never boring in the desert. Okay, in California, there's a favorite desert for camping. The name is Death Valley National Park. And then I want to ask you, does Melissa like biking in the mountain? Yes, she likes biking in the mountain. Okay, next. What does his dad like doing in the evening? That's true. His dad likes making big campfires. Okay. The next question. What can she find in that valley? Okay, good. He can find many types of snakes, lizards, and bees. It's so scary for me, but not for her. Okay. Next, go to the third text. This third text from Luca or Lusa. Luca 11, Italy. Vulcano is a small volcanic island in Italy. I like camping there in the summer with my grandparents. We sleep in the small cabin in the forest. During the day, my grandpa rides a motorbike around the island. I like hiking to the top of the volcano. My grandma likes walking on the black sandy beach near the sea. There is special mud in volcano, but that is very good for your skin. Some people like putting the mud on their bodies. I love visiting volcano. Nah, the third text is about the favorite place for Luca for camping, and it is in volcano. We can guess, kita bisa bayangkan ya favorit place-nya itu. Nah, favorit place-nya itu dia biasa Luca pergi ke sana dengan nenek dan kakeknya. Jadi di sana kakeknya suka mengendarai sepeda motor di sepanjang pulau. Nah, kalau misalkan grandma, how about his grandma? Oh, his grandma likes walking on the black sandy. Do you know? Sandy beaches, ya, pantai yang berpasir dekat laut. Kemudian neneknya suka jalan-jalan ya di sana. Okay, there is special mud in the volcano. Nah, jadi ada special mud itu like lumpur ya, lumpur. Kemudian suka ditaruh atau mungkin seperti buat luluran kali di dalam di tubuh di badan bagi pengunjungnya. Nah, gitu ya. Okay, after we understand, setelah memahami about the text tree, let's go to the next exercise. Page 23, circle true or false. Jadi kalau di understanding text ini kita hanya true or false ya. Number 1, the mountains of Thailand are easy to climb. True or false? Good. It's false because they are hard to climb. Easy itu mudah, kebalikannya hard. Okay, next. Alak likes watching beach. True or false? That's right, it's true. Number 3, that valley is in the desert. True or false? Okay, good. It's true. It's favorite place for Melissa. Number 4, Melissa doesn't like riding her bike. True or false? Can you guess it? Yes, that's right. False. Melissa likes riding her bike. Number 5, volcano is a big island. True or false? False. Nah, volcano is not a big island. Why? Because his or Luca grandfathers can ride around the island by motor cycle. Okay, next now Luca likes hiking. That's true. Okay, Luca likes hiking very much. Okay, students, after we finish about this lesson, please say hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Praise be Allah, the Lord of the world. Segala puji bagi Allah, Tuhan semesta alam. Okay, if you have any question, you can call me via WA, and or you can send me a note via @modo. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your attention today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.